This is a picture of the Verona area landfill in 2000. It has changed a lot in the past 25 years. The landfill is located about 10 miles outside of Madison. It started taking waste back in 1977. For years, it handled garbage from Dane County and the nearby Rock County, but it shut down in 1986 after a new EPA rule that mandated an end to open dumping. Open dumping was a cost-effective way to dump trash, but it was not very good for the environment. So, as a part of the landfill's closure, Verona planners decided to turn the area into a 315-acre park, which included the 110-acre landfill. But just covering the trash wasn't enough to make it safe. Landfills contain a lot of organic waste. This waste can consist of food scraps or pet waste. This waste can break down over time and will release methane and other gases. These gases can build up and become hazardous. In fact, a gas leak in 1986 caused an explosion that destroyed a nearby
what a
house
gas
and
leak
injured 3
actually
people.
is. Over time, as the pressure builds underneath the soil, as the trash continues to decompose, the gases and the pressure will continue to increase, and over time, the gases will seep through the soil into the air, which can lead to dangerous gas buildups and bad air quality.
Methane also has a big environmental impact. It is a potent greenhouse gas. It traps around 120 times more heat than CO2 does per unit. To combat this, engineers will put pipes deep inside landfills to remove the gas from the landfill, lowering the pressure and removing harmful gases. Then, they will burn off these gases in a process called flaring. Flaring converts things like methane into less harmful emissions like CO2. An added perk of burning off these gases is that it will create energy, which then can be used to turn into electricity. In 1995, Verona installed generators at the Badger Prairie Healthcare Center, which have used gases from the Verona landfill to power the center for nearly 30 years. Now, in 2024, with most of the waste in the landfill decomposed and methane levels dropping, Verona needs a way to power the healthcare center. In April, the city council decided to turn part of the old landfill into a solar farm. The story of the Verona landfill shows how, with some planning, old waste sites can be put to good use, becoming parks, sources of renewable energy, and helping to reduce the environmental impact of landfills.